Hello everyone, so welcome back. This is our day 12 of 365 days of coding, and today we are going to solve an interesting programming problem together. So the problem involves calculating the number of bills you can afford within a given budget. Let's dive into the details. So our problem statement is simple. We have a total budget N and the cost of the single bill M, and we need to find out how many bills we can buy within the available budget. So when the total amount is equally splitted amongst all bills, so how many bills we can get. So let's break this problem down into easy to understandable steps. So first, what we are doing here is we need to read the total budget and the cost of a single bill. This is the information we will be working with, and then we need to calculate the number of bills by dividing the total budget by the cost of a single bill. Now this gives us basically a decimal value, and what we need to do, we need to convert that into a whole number, and finally we will print our result. And what is the result? The result will be the whole number, means whole number part of that. Okay, so let's see what will be our approach to solve this, and then we will start writing the code. So first, what will we do? We will read the total budget N and the value of a single integer M from the user. Then we will calculate the number of bills by dividing N by M, and then we will round down the result to the nearest integer, and finally we will print the integer part. So let's write the code for this. Now let's take a look at a simple Python script which we have wrote to implement our solution. So as I wrote, we are first reading total budget and single bill value from the user. Then we are storing the so we are dividing the total budget by single bill value. Okay, so we are using double division here, double slash here, so we will get a integer value. Okay, we will not get that float value, and we are storing inside this number of bills variable. And finally we are printing this, the result of this variable. So let's run this and see. So it's asking for input, so let's go, and what is the input here? So it is 126 which input, so 126.3 and 5. So let's give 126.3 and then 5, 25. So let's see. So we are getting 25. That is correct. So this is, so let's sum up how we did, because see, this is already optimized approach. So as per our previous video, what we will do, we will just take out this part and put it inside this print statement and remove this. This is the only optimization we can do, but if you wrote this much, this is also optimized, I would say. Okay, so let's sum up. So we have given a problem. Okay, we first understood that problem clearly, then we note down some points, what we need to take as input, what we need to print, right? Then we wrote our first approach to solve this problem, and then we wrote our solution or our code to get that result. Then we provide our inputs and get the desired output. Okay, so this is all for this video. Let's catch up in another video, so we will meet tomorrow. So like the video, subscribe the channel, and comment if you like my videos, and let's catch up tomorrow.